Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market and analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And as we all know, gold is full of surprises and gold has given us a surprise again, a big one. Usually in this time of year, okay, we don't see much movements in the market. Okay, if you see at the previous years, you'll see the market stays in a range, market stays dull, and this thing continues. Okay, till the first week of January. Okay, but we can see that right at the market opening. Okay, gold is super bullish. If you have been to the news section, then you must know that yes, there is a surprise again geopolitically. So if you have any ongoing buy on gold right now, hold your buy position because sky is the limit, because things are changing again. Okay, gold is no longer in a range and we can see that gold is flying. And as we all know, okay, for any trend there must be a fundamental reason. Without any proper fundamental reason, there cannot be a trend reversal or trend continuation. And the up move that we see on gold right now has also a fundamental reason. Okay, so what is the reason? Gold edges higher amid geopolitical tension. Yes, geopolitics. Gold hits record high. Gold price hit a record high at about 4380 per ounce on Monday, driven by expectations of further US rate cut and escalating geopolitical tension. So, my dear friends, if you're wondering why gold has given such a big move, okay, this is unusual. And the reason is geopolitical tension. As we all know, whenever there is a geopolitical tension globally, gold responds. Gold is bullish. And this is the reason. You can see on the geopolitical front, the US is reportedly monitoring another vessel near Venezuela after having seized two tankers this month, while Ukraine stuck a Russian tanker in the Mediterranean Sea for the first time. I think around a month ago, okay, we discussed that there's a tension going on between US and Venezuela, okay, and the tension is escalating. Okay, so things are okay getting heated up between USA and Venezuela. This is the reason, okay, why we see this up move on the chart of gold. Things are not very bad as of now, but things are escalating. So gold is also responding. So where is the limit then? Obviously, okay, nobody can predict any market, but still gold is bullish right now. So we need to plan our place accordingly. If you look at the forex sentiment meter, we can see the sentiment of the retail traders because it shows the retail traders participation. We can see retail traders are still okay, are confused. We can see a 50-50 situation here, buyers and sellers 50-50. But if you look at the options data here, we can see, remember, we had good number of contracts at 4400. We discussed, okay, that possibility of market going above 4400, 4400 is very less in the month of December because we had a huge number of contracts. Remember, guys? Okay, see. Then we also discussed that if things change, we will get a picture here, and we can see the picture today. We can see number of contracts. Remember, number of contracts were around 6,500, 400. See, it has come down to 3,945. Okay, the numbers are also changing. If you look at 4500, you can see here also number of contracts have reduced drastically. Okay, so when we see a reduction in the number of contracts, when the number of contracts decreases, okay, it signifies that there is a possibility of market going up. That's why the big guys, okay, they are exiting from their positions. Okay, so this is not a good sign for sellers. So if you have any buy, okay, that's why I said if you have any buy, you can hold your buy position because sky is the limit. It doesn't matter, okay, in which period we are right now. For example, okay, just before the Christmas also, if things escalate between USA and Venezuela, obviously gold will respond. Gold will fly towards 4500. So hold your buy position with trading stop loss. Okay, because we are retail traders, okay, we need to be flexible. And if you are having a sell right now, you need to be careful. Try to exit whenever there will be a retracement, because see, in a previous video we discussed about spikes in the market. See, spikes are different thing. When there is a low volume in the market, unusual spikes come, but this is not an unusual spike or market manipulation. This is just pure bullish market. So we will be following the same old strategy that we have been following for the last 1 year, I guess. Okay, because gold has been bullish for a long time. So buy a dip. Okay, buy a dip is back again. So buy a dip is the best trading strategy. So where are the levels then? 4355, 4360. Around this particular area, we can look for buy position. Remember, okay, previous resistance acting as support. Yes, same logic. Previous resistance will act as support here. But this level is far away from the current market price. So we also have a good support around 4370. Okay, so keep in mind, my dear friends, okay, these levels work as zones. So when market will be around 437172, switch to a lower time frame and see, okay, where market is taking support. It can, market may take support on 4371 also. It can take support on 436867 also, because they work as zones in the market. So this whole level is a zone here. So once, okay, you'll see the market is taking support, market is showing price action from below, will give you the conviction that, okay, finally market is going for a bounce. You can enter, buy at dip or buy at retracement. So these are the two best levels, okay, technically, where we can look for a buy position if market comes down for retracement around 4370 and around 435556. Okay, but if market is very bullish, okay, sometimes we see the market doesn't come for proper retracement, okay, then you can also look for a support around 4384. See, this is a minor level. Yes, this is a minor level in comparison to 70. 84 is a minor level, but still, if market doesn't come down properly, then you can also look for support on 83, 84 area as well. Keep in mind, if the bullishness or the up move continues, okay, every resistance will work as support. For example, in the US session, obviously the chart will be different, but if market continues the bullishness, okay, you can expect the previous resistance to work as support, and there also you can buy. Okay, so around 70 best support, around 55 60 also we have a good support, but we also have a minor support at 84 83. If market takes support, we can buy there as well. As we all know, my dear friends, okay, there are only two possibilities: market either come down or market either go up. But in this situation, okay, right now buying will be very risky, and right now we don't see any consolidation also. Okay, so during the day, if you see market consolidates for, yes, 2 to 3 hours, then what you need to do, okay, you need to draw a line like this, and when market will break the line, you can look for buy at breakout. For example, market starts consolidating, okay, for 2 hours there is no proper move, okay, and you see that market has made a high at 4410, okay, and market is trading in a range, market a range में trade कर रहा है, छोटे range में trade कर रहा है, okay, then when market will break 4410, you can buy there. It means it will be buy at breakout. As of now, while recording the video, okay, I do not see any consolidation here, so I cannot give you the level, but keep in mind there will be consolidation, then you need to mark the range, and when market will break the high, you can enter. But before I go, I would like to mention one thing, that my dear friends, still we need to keep in mind that Christmas is just around the corner. The news, okay, yeah, there is a geopolitical, okay, tension going on between USA and Venezuela, but is this a very big news that will take gold towards 450? I don't think so. So please be careful. This can be a trap also. For example, in the US session, okay, if market starts falling, then please exit, because in this particular time of the year, okay, many things happen. Okay, people get trapped, people blow their accounts. Okay, so please be careful. Okay, and do not trade without stop loss, as I have already said earlier also. Okay, in this time of the year, okay, you should be using small lot sizes. Okay, let's wait and watch and do not gamble. Okay, and if anything crazy happens, you will get an update in a free Telegram community. Okay, if you are still not a part, then please Join the free Telegram community. The link will be in the description. There are lots of scams also going on in my name. Okay, with 12,000 members, 25,000 members. Okay, those are scams. I do not have any investment schemes. Okay, I do not have any paid programs. Nothing. Okay, so please be careful. You'll get a link in the description. Okay, bye bye. Take care.